Mic check. Alright, here we go. Yan. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Magandang gabi po. Welcome to another episode of The Daily Grind. Kung saan we talk about making money. We talk about stock market. We talk about trading. Financial freedom in general, diba? So, yan, updates tayo sa mga markets natin ngayon and our tradings, especially yung bot tradings natin. Medyo pulahan si Valkyrie, but that's okay. We're leaving it for long term. I'll update you sa inyo guys ano nangyayari, everything. Pero isa sa mga hot topics ngayon, SLP broke the 3 peso mark at umabot na ng 2 piso kanina. So, SLP just reached all-time lows already. Right? I'm not into Axie. Hindi ako nag-Axie. I just have a lot of friends who are into Axie. So, it is kind of sad news para sa mga nag-Axie dyan. Right? Sa mga gusto magsimula ng Axie, if you are still up for it, it's up to you. Right? But make sure, right? Make sure lang, puntahan nyo yung previous episodes natin. If wala na dito sa Facebook, andun pa sa YouTube, search for my video sa Financial Freedom 101 about NFTs and Axies. What are the things you should be considering whenever you go into an NFT? Kung mapasok man lang kayo dahil sa pera lang, be wise about it, right? There is an entrepreneurial approach to it, pero as much as possible, look at the fundamentals of the game itself before you wanna get in. More videos about that dun sa Financial Freedom 101 YouTube. Search for NFTs. Right, anyways, yan, update tayo muna ng konti. Hinaan ko lang ito ng konti ang background music natin. Let me share to you my screen. Yan, PSEi, green day tayo ngayon or up 0.34%. Pero PSEi gapped down earlier. Bakit? It's because of the international market last night. Look at that big red bar na international market. Today, itong green na ito eh. Yeah, but yesterday, grabe ang pulahan ng Nasdaq 100 and even other markets. Yeah, that's the term. But yeah, I already mentioned this to you before. International market is kind of toppish already, and so I've been predicting this. What do you call this? This reversal, right? Medyo nangyari na noon, hindi nagtuloy, umakyat pa ng konti, but now ang lalaki ng mga reds na nakikita nyo. But yeah, that's trading for you guys. The longer you stay in observing markets, the better you are at predicting ano ang mangyayari sa markets natin. So somehow we're able to predict this. Even yung even PSEi's reversal, di ba? We talked about that one. I told you mukhang magre-reversal ang PSEi, so mag-take profits po kayo. And there it is, PSEi is already dropping. Green siya today. Once again, let's go back to PSEi. But it's a net foreign selling day. Nakita niyo po yung malaking pula na yan. $216 million, pesos po ang lumabas sa market natin ngayon. We're expecting for the markets to still go down. Right? Baka mag-support ulit. Hopefully not. Hopefully I'm wrong. But we're expecting for the markets to go sideways at really not really go bullish. Why? Because palapit na po ang elections. And elections kasi causes uncertainty. Right? Ang daming uncertainties when it comes to elections. Sino mananalo or the previous administration, baka yung mga projects nila hindi matuloy because that tend to happen. Yung may mga economical, may infrastructural mga projects of the previous administration tapos ibang administration ang hindi kaalyado yung sumunod. So the previous projects tend to be forgotten at hindi natuloy lang at nasasayang lang. So those things are to be considered. Ngayon, ang daming news. Maingay na naman politics sa atin ngayon. Pacquiao is running for president. Even si Isko Moreno announced that he's going to be running for president also. So, interesting times. But again, that noise is... let's not go political. But that noise is going to really hamper the growth of PSEi just for maybe a little bit. Maybe magsa-sideways na. Hindi naman, we don't think it's gonna go down trend since okay naman ang economy overall. Just that investors will tend to turtle up when it comes to these situations, so mga ganito mga sitwasyon. And when investors turtle up, that means the money is not going into the market. And if there's no money going into the market, mahirapan ito mag-bullish talaga. So far, so good. Yung mga predictions natin somehow nangyayari naman sa market, di ba? If you've been following Daily Grind for quite a while already, We told you 7,000 is our possible resistance, and we're starting to seize net foreign selling during these levels, and because of that, and ayan na nga, bumabagsak na ang market. Even international market, SLP even, alright, we talked about SLP, USDT, when we talked about Axie and NFTs, dito pa lang yun noon, I told you not to go in, not to buy SLPs, not to buy Axies. You need SLPs kasi to create Axies, diba? So not to buy Axies kasi sobrang mahal. This was a point in time na yung mga Axie tigpa 500,000. Grabe, umabot ng 500,000. Yung iba nga million yung mga Axie. And right now, napakamura ng mga Axies, right? You can already start a team again by the current price na umaabot ng mga 50,000. Meron na nga nagpa-panic selling ng mga Axies nila, binibenta nila yung team nila na napakamura. So if you still want to start this one out with the prices low right now, this is the best time to start. Hindi yung nung dito pa na sobrang taas at nagpa-hype kayo, right? I always teach you this, especially sa NFTs, sa mga bagong investments dyan. Never let the hype use you. Use the hype, right? Right now, medyo pangit yung medyo pangit yung takbo niya. Just look for a good position at this time. It reached all-time low levels. Green na siya ngayon, but umabot si SLP kanina ng 297. 2 pesos na 97 pesos. SLP to PSEi. So, nasa 315, 317 na siya ngayon. Pero kanina 2 pesos 97. That's the lowest it has been. Never ito nag-reach ng 2 pesos mark dati. But just today, it reached 2 pesos. So, next question is, aangat ba si Axie? Si SLP, yung presyo niya? Kasi this is what you're gonna be working for. You play the game so that you can get smooth love potion. Diba? So, per smooth love potion na makukuha mo, pwede mo ibenta sa market at 3 pesos and 17 centavos ngayon. Dati, sobrang mahal ito. So, ang laki na kikitain ninyo ngayon. Noon. Diba? So, this is what you're gonna be working for. The lower the prices are going to be, the harder it is for you to earn larger amounts, and mas mahirap ROI, right? Mas mahirap po return of investment ngayon. So, and also, the question really is kung angat ba siya. The problem I have with Axie really is its SLP generation system, kung saan everyday sobrang dami ng players, million na nga ang mga players daw ng Axie, diba? So imagine millions of players are playing Axie, tapos per player can generate let's just say 100 SLPs a day. So that's 100 million SLPs a day if ever gagalaw lahat. Even half of it, that's 50 million SLP a day sa 1 million players na maglalaro. So, it's still a lot. And that's the problem. Araw-araw, sobrang daming SLP na generate that is flooding the market. And that's the reason why we tried to predict that SLP might drop, and it is dropping right now. So, yeah, 3 pesos 17 centavos for SLP. I think with the current na situation sa Axie, wala naman changes it might still go down unless Axie changes something in the game. I don't know what it will be. It will be a very challenging thing for Axie to do. Hopefully they can find a solution for this, kasi so much SLP is generated every day. It's the cause of this drop right here, from here down to 2 pesos na lang. Alright, so insights kay crypto naman pala, BTC USD. The reason why I stopped you guys from buying this level right here is because masyadong mahal na siya, right? There were questions about crypto sa akin noon dito, 48,000. Should I buy it? I already stopped you. Why? Because I already told you this is the buy level of crypto. These are the buy levels of crypto. The breakouts, the support of crypto, diba? Doon tayo magbabay. The reason why people are asking me, right? It's okay, right? The reason why people are asking me, okay ba si Bitcoin during this levels right here is because nafo-FOMO na, right? Fear of missing out. Because Bitcoin is already flying, gusto na nilang sumakay. Bakit hindi tayo sumasakay noong nandito pa siya sa baba, di ba? And then, right, the reason why I stopped you is because it's already done with the climb. Nag-reversal na siya, and now we're seeing a downtrend. Nag-lower low kanina, and we already have lower highs. So that's a downtrend right there. abangan lang natin. In the future, maybe a month from now, baka may magandang position for Bitcoin. But for now, downtrend pa po siya. I would say stay away from it lang muna. That is from Junior Aquino. Let's go to the comments really quick. Basahin muna natin comments. Ishi Marimat, good evening. Sir Lloyd, evening. Sir, nauna ako ha. Tingnan nga natin, bakit sa comments nauna pa rin si Ishi? Pero nakita ko kanina, si Emily ang nauna. Right, nakita ko to kanina. So, congratulations Emily, ikaw nauna. Earl Ginto, good evening Sir Lloyd, good evening po. Ricky Lau, good evening. Alfredo Kisto, good evening then. Francis Rex, Maing Gabi. Archie Gams from CDO, good evening. G-Boy Tads, Emily, bloody market sir. Yes, indeed. Sobrang bloody ng market. But that's okay. Right? Expected naman natin na yan diba? So, we've been talking about the market for quite a while already. We're expecting for the markets to really pull back and there it is. It's already happening. Rowena, Villa, Mayang Gabi, good evening po. Ran, Tabilas, good evening po. Marilu and Gigi Mijares, good evening. Rubio, Marilu Rubio. Osalumba, good evening Sir Lloyd. May video pa ba about Ember? May video po ba kayo about Ember Sword? Meron po. That is when I announce anong NFT ang papasukin ko. If you go to my YouTube channel, youtube.com, sa Financial Freedom 101, let's go to my videos. Just go to my videos and then search for NFT Ember Sword. Ember Sword. Right, so I explained to you guys bakit papasukin ko si Ember Sword. Bakit wala? NFT. Search for NFT. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina pala na NFTs. May mga NFTs video tayo. Itong last na ito is about Ember Sword. So, this is where I explain bakit si Ember Sword ang lalaruin ko na NFT. Right? So, please check it out. Wala pa ako instructions about NFT Ember Sword sa loob because the game is not out yet. Wala pa ang laro. Right? It should release 2022 daw early. So, may early access na kami. Yung land sale nakakuha tayo, it's already only 2,000 pesos, but in the market right now, the lands are already selling at around 25 to 30,000. So that's instant times 13 yung investment natin. Kaso nga lang, maliit lang. So that's okay. Wala namang problema yon. It's still a good earning. Junior Kino, good evening. Blake Tolipas, good evening Sir Lloyd. Any thoughts about PVU, Plants versus Undead? Ano nga ba yung token ng PVU? With the game, I already played the game. Sorry, I will be honest with you guys. I'm always honest with you. Sasabihin ko sa inyo kung pangit yan or maganda yan. But I'm a gamer myself. NFT-wise, lumipad na yung PVU PHP, right? PVU PHP. $6, right? Plants versus Undead token, look at that. Dropped 20.4%. PVU. Tignan nga natin tong ano na to, Plants vs. Undead PVU USDT. Ano ba yung, paano ba natin makikita yung, may chart ba to? Plants vs. Undead long short earn low kada to. Alright, so, dati, may kamahalan na siya. Ngayon, magkano na lang? $6.72. Right? Yung presyo ni Plants vs. Undead token. Right? So, again, in NFTs, you don't really look at the hype. Look at the fundamentals of the game. Have you played the game, if ever you have, graphics is not that good. Gameplay, yeah, it's boring game. So, I don't think it will live for long. Bakit? Sasabihin ko sa inyo, right? What if may mas magandang panlumabas na laro kaysa sa PVU, mamamatay si PVU. So, simple as that. So, not a fan of PVU also. Plant vs. Undead. The game is already out. I assume it's already out. Kasi naka-download ako before ng ano niya sa PC. Sobrang simple ng game. Sir, sa FB, ako kumamati pero nanonood din ng mga likes sa YouTube. Mga pala, thank you for sharing this video. Please share this video sa mga hindi pa nakapag-share. Let the newbies or your relatives know about this program. We talk about making money. If ever may lumalabas dyan ng mga bago na investments, I do try to make sure that I study it and I give you my 2 cents about it. Especially sa stock market, NFTs right now is very hot. Crypto even, I tell you when to get in, when is the right time to get in. Minsan, hindi naman tayo 100% na tama, pero at the very least, I can share to you my expertise, diba? So please share this video. PVU, Jay Aguilen, good evening. Good evening, Idol from Philip Macabenta. Good evening, man. Junior Kino, insights on crypto. Man, crypto is still dropping. It's still on a downtrend. Thanks, Sir Lloyd, on your good insights on crypto. You're welcome, Junior. ETH Pooser, ETH will just follow Bitcoin technically. So Bitcoin is dropping right now, creating a downtrend. I won't be surprised if Ethereum is also dropping, right? Downtrend, and there it is. Lower lows and lower highs. So, sumasabay lang naman to kay Bitcoin eh. So, yeah. Antay lang tayo na matapos yung downtrend. Maybe get a reversal if ever hindi tayo makakuha ng sideways after this downtrend. But yeah, right now it's not a good time to get in technically. So yeah, ETH, Emilio Gugliano, correct ka dyan sir, nandun kasi yung excitement kapag gusto mong humabol. Napakasakit kung maipit. True, right? So please, that's the reason, that's the purpose of the daily grind. That's the purpose of Financial Freedom 101. Really to guide you. Isa sa mga, especially sa newbies, right? Isa sa mga kalaban ninyo in trading is not just the market but yourself also. I know it is exciting na kumita. Tayo mga Pilipino, likas din tayo na sugarol. It's in our culture. It's very exciting yet, right? So, exciting, di ba? But it will work against you when it comes to the stock market. Alright, Tito Warren Buffett always said, stock market is a way to transfer money from the impatient to the patient ones. Right? Do not let your emotions get the best of you in the stock market. Just wait for it. Learn that, at part ito sa development nyo as a trader. Learn that not doing anything in the market is also good trading. If the market's not doing well, or if nakalipad na yan, you really don't have to do anything about it. Just wait for it and for the future, for position. If ever ganon, wala kang ginagawa, that's still part of trading, and then that's also good, right? Not trading within the day is also good, especially if hindi ka naman day trader. Converge po sir, salamat po. Let's check out Converge. Charting tayo. Right, let me just load my chart layout really quick, okay? Para lumabas si RSI. Look at that, Google even gap down. So that's good. Good for sa mga nag-aabang kay Google. I strongly recommend Google as a company. So it's going on a downtrend right now. This is the reversal that you should be looking for. Abangan nyo po ito mag-stabilize and you buy the dips. Keep buying the dips of Google. Keep buying the dips of Microsoft. Keep buying the dips of Apple. If gusto nyo pong madali na stock market trading, I mean, yumaman sa stock market, you can apply that. Anyways, Converge, and bounce again today, alright? So, I told you yesterday, this is the red line right here. For me, Converge is already too high up there. It's not for me to trade. But if should you trade this, just plot the trend line and you should be good. And nag-bounce nga siya sa trend line na yan. Yung pula na yan, di ba? So, just follow the trend line for Converge. That's for Dave Viola. Emily, sir, sa FB, sir, nabasa ko na pala to. Dave Viola, ano po comment nyo kay Evergrande, Sir Lloyd? Evergrande. Is this the China na yung na bankrupt? Yeah, sa China nga, Evergrande. I've already started my initial research about this one, yung developer na in Evergrande. Ang daming kawawa. Ang daming investors na kawawa. That's the problem really. Yung kasi mga investors is it's dalawa kasing side yan eh. Investors and the company, di ba? Some companies tend to oversell themselves. Tapos pag nalugi, kawawa yung mga investors. On the investor side, right? I hope you're responsible with your investing also. This is already a cliche. Sobrang gasgas na ng linya na ito, but don't put all your eggs in one basket, di ba? So please diversify. Don't go heavy on something lang muna, right? Especially matanda na tayo, or kayo. Joke lang. I'm 35 years old. We're at a point na we cannot konti lang oras natin to really work hard, di ba? Nung bata pa tayo, we still have so much room to make mistakes. Maybe on your 20s to 30s, di ba? Ngayon, 30 onwards, medyo maliit na lang yung room natin for mistakes, and any wrong moves sa finance natin could really cost us a lot. So many years are gonna be wasted if ever ganyan. And meron nga mga tao doon dahil sa Evergrande, sabi nila if ever hindi nila makukuha yung pera nila, magpapakamatay sila kasi lahat ng pinaghirapan nila andun. That shouldn't be the case. That's the reason why you have to diversify in so many things. Ang problema kasi doon, Evergrande has been selling their investment na returns na malaki daw ang investment returns. Basic rule in investing, the higher the returns, the higher the risk. Ganun lang po yan, right? So, I've been teaching everyone about segregating their funds. Itong pera na ito, para saan to? Para pambili ko ng bahay 5 years from now, so this money is important. Then, yung pera na ito, para saan to? For education of my kids, so this money is important. Meron akong sa pera na pwede ko lagay sa investment, so I can put this on higher risk investments. Yung mga importante nyo na pera, wag nyo ilalagay sa high return investments. Kasi the higher the returns, the higher the risks, and you can't afford those risks because you can't afford to put your money on those high risk investment kung ang pera na yan importante sa inyo, right? The good thing about the rich people is that they have so much extra funds already that they can risk. That's why yung mayaman pa ang mga mayayaman because they have extra funds to really risk. Tayo na nagsisimula pa lang sa journey natin sa investments, you have to be wise with your movements. If it's important money, don't put it on high risk investments. Please, right? Kung pinapromise nila high ang returns, malaki rin ang risk dyan, for sure, right? So, that's gonna be a problem also. So, please be wise with your investments. Huwag po lahat ilalagay sa isa. Lagay nyo sa maraming investments. Pag-ibig MP2 program, stock market, pwede nyo ilagay yung pera nyo na extra. Even the bot trading is doing well. Pero huwag nyo ilagay muna ang pera. Just put in extra kasi higher returns yung forex, bot trading natin sa forex. Pero again, the higher the returns, the higher the risks. Diba? So I've been teaching you a lot about investments, anong pwede nyo mapaglagyan ng pera. Check it out, right? Wag all in one basket. Yun yung problema lang talaga sa ibang mga nasa Evergrande. Laki ng pera linalagay nila dyan. Lahat na linagay nila kay Evergrande yung iba. That's sad. Paulo Cortez ngayon lang nakanood. Good evening. Kamusta? Bagsak po ang global market. Yeah, that's to be understood. We talked about the global market being toppish already. I was expecting the pullback weeks ago. Ngayon lang nangyari talaga. So yeah. Pingwaping, hello Sir Lloyd. Any thoughts, suggestion kay Dito and MPI? Salamat po. Let's check out the chart of Dito. Alright, Alvin Castillo, I want to read this out loud. This is music to my ears. This is the reason why patuloy tayo sa daily grind. Diba? Sir, gusto ko lang mag-thank you. Dami kong natutunan using support and resistance, when to buy and add during downtrend, when to cut losses, and when to take profits. Sa ngayon, I'm gaining and increasing my port. So, ang ganda pakinggan, diba? Again, that's the reason that's the purpose of daily grind, right? We want to guide you sa stock market journey ninyo. We want, as much as possible, you start right para magtuloy-tuloy yung journey ninyo. Karamihan kasi ng Pinoy pumapasok sa stock market and because they start wrong, they lose money, they lose interest and quit the stock market. And we want to prevent that. That's the reason why I always ask you guys to share this video para sa mga newbies dyan na nanonood. Anyways, let's move forward. Dito, still on a downtrend. Sharing the screen again. Stay away from it lang muna. We are at 766, the green siya today. But, yeah, possible support right here. But we're... Actually, ito if your purpose is for trading, this is too aggressive. We're still on a downtrend overall, so I don't really trust that support since downtrend pa lang tayo. Pero kung sa mga long term, we don't really expect na bababayan to 6 pesos even. So, you just buy some and then buy some more sa major support niya. Ganun ang strategy for long term. Sa mga traders, I don't like it right now. At least man lang mag-stabilize at mag-confirm yun ng support once again. There's no really... If ever bullish lang ang market, I would say this is a good support to buy. But the market's not bullish, so I won't go aggressive. Mas malaki kasi yung chances na malita yung trades natin, yung technical analysis natin pag ganito ang situation ng market. So yeah, I will stay away from it. Long terms, pwede nyo kayong bumili ngayon and then just buy more on the support. That's for dito. And then MPI. Si MPI naman, kumustahin natin si Metro Pacific Incorporated. Engulfing pattern. Looking so good right now. 1% naman nakit niya kanina, but dalawang engulfing na tayo ha. So this is already very good. Actually, kung mag-pullback yan and bounce, that's already confirmation of support. That's where you buy it. Similar with dito kanina. Let it pull back and bounce, confirm a support before you wanna get in. Loner FOMO, good evening sir. Thoughts on APL sir? APL, nag-downtrend pa di ba? Yeah. Touching lower Bollinger Bands, I think it's still gonna drop. So, stay away from it for now. Right? Noong nagsusupport na ito for APL, sabi ko sa inyo, if ever mag-green man, that will be confirming the support. That's a buy. Pero wala tayong confirmation of the support. So, nagtuloy siyang bumagsak. So, hopefully hindi kayo pumasok ha. It just collapsed the support. So, stay away from it. That's for APL. Let me go to YouTube lang muna kasi it's 8:32. Daanan na natin ang YouTube. Ian Villaruel, Sir Lloyd, good evening. God bless. Good evening din po. M-Wide, Meg, Jimmy7. Sir, thanks. Let's check out M-Wide. Si M-Wide Bodega to eh. Right? There it is. Good win today. I've been telling you guys, keep buying M-Wide. And if ever you bought that one, that's a very big green right there. That's an engulfing pattern. That's a bullish signal. For M-Wide, for a buy. Congratulations sa mga nagbodega kay M-Wide, especially dun sa baba sa support. M-Wide, Jimmy7. Jimmy7's kind of topish for me. So, I will stay away from it for now. So, iwas na muna. And then, Jimmy7. Adjust TV, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Sa wakas, naabot ko na rin live mo. Pa-check po ng JFC and dito. We covered dito already. So, JFC, still on a downtrend. Support is right here. So, abangan na natin sa support. Jayco07, good evening, Sir Lloyd. ZM and Space po. Virgin Galactic, diba? SPCE. Alright, Virgin Galactic. Support is right here. That's a buy right there sa support niya. If ever ayaw nyo sa support, let it break out. At least signal yan na mag-aakyat na siya. Nag-negative lahat ng copy trades ko sa eToro. Hopefully, makabawi soon. This is from Dice. Kasi pulahan ng market eh. Dice, good evening. Rico Diaz, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Your thoughts on DMC and SCC? Si DMC masyado mataas na. Alright, DMC, nag-bounce na MA20. Look at that. That's the reason why I love MA20s. MA20 is the best entry. Kung makapasok kayo malapit dyan, that's gonna be a good entry for you. As long as MA20 holds, right? That's gonna be your support. I don't want you guys to chase dito sa taas. Bakit? Pero nag-breakout naman siya eh. Nag-sustain lang. This is tricky. I would say yes. Just get in near MA20. Use MA20 as your support for DMC. Ayoko lang yan kasi nakalipad na. Yun lang ang ayaw ko lang talaga sa kanya. Good evening. SCC. SCC ba nag 52-week high, di ba? Sa SCC. Past couple of days. Yes, right. So, SCC is sitting at MA20. Kung nag-green sa MA20, if you wanna trade this one out, MA20 is gonna be your support. I would say buy it if ever mag-green man si SCC. Good find right here from Nature's All About. Hindi pala. From, Rico Diaz. Mellow 101, good evening. Nature's All About channel. Waing gabi. Sir Lloyd, good evening. ADA, USDT, Idol, Sir Lloyd. Right, ADA, USDT, Cardano tayo. Right, Cardano, man, downtrend eh. Downtrend pa rin si Cardano. So, it's been respecting the support for Cardano at the very least. Iba naman ang trend ni Cardano. Actually, halos parehas kay Bitcoin. Downtrend, abangan nyo lang si Bitcoin. Masasabi ko na sa inyo, if ever Bitcoin goes stable or rallies up, pasukin nyo to. Right? Maganda kasi sa mga malalaki na coins like Cardano is magbodega. Right? This is a good support right here. I would say buy some if ever gusto niyo mag-hold in the future. Buy some and then kung bumaba pa, buy some more. Ganun lang for Cardano. Benedict na Pizza, good evening sir. Baka po pwede matanong kung anong plans nyo sa Chris ngayon. Ano yung Chris? Crisis ba or Chris? Is Chris? Is it crypto? Hindi ko alam ano yung Chris. Is it crisis? Ayun, crisis pala. Kinorek niya ako. Anong plan ko sa crisis ngayon? What crisis? Is it the COVID-19 crisis? Um, yeah, let's talk about that. Anyways, tapos na naman yung crisis, di ba? So hopefully, during this time, when the crisis started, right, I created a video about it. Ano magandang investments during crisis. And I told you during that video, the best investments will be tech stocks. Kasi everything will be online. Internet and technology will make the world run. And we were right? Nag-drop lang ng konti because of the scare of COVID. But when investors realized na kaya na mag-sustain ng mundo ngayon kahit na may lockdowns, etc., online will keep the world running. So umakyat si Techno. Hopefully you were able to take advantage of it. I also shouted about oil being so cheap. Sobrang mura na ng oil to a point na si oil na nga nag-zero yon. Kung binili nyo yun noon, oil was already at $70. Kung nakuha nyo at around $10, nag-times 7 yung investment ninyo. Kung nakuha nyo mas mura pa nga, sobrang laki na ng kita ninyo. Even gold, we talked about gold being a safe haven. Crypto. The thing is, the plan during the crisis was look for opportunities. Kahit pa naman before the crisis, there's opportunity. Pero ito lang whenever there's crisis, there's opportunity kasi. Iba naman yung opportunity na hinanap natin. During the crisis, one of the big opportunities was selling alcohol, selling face shields, sanitizers, etc. That could be something that you have went into, right? During the crisis, sobrang dami pa rin ng opportunities. I even went into NFTs, went into Forex, gumawa kami ng bot during the crisis and it has been doing well for us. So it's been doing well. I went into real estate investment even because sobrang mura ng real estate during the crisis. So, I don't know, man. Just keep on looking for opportunities. Even right now, na patapos na yung crisis, everything should be okay pa rin. Right? I even went into esports casting. So kasi the opportunity there was booming ang esports, booming ang gaming industry because nasa bahay lang lahat ng mga tao. So I went in, I became a caster sa League of Legends Wild Rift. It came to a point na mas malaki pa ang kinita ko sa Wild Rift kaysa sa nagastos ko sa laro. Ganun kami maghanap ng opportunities. Anyways, hello for some random shot on the internet. Test mic, SecB, Manabay, Lloyd. SecB is not yet done, pero downturn pa tayo. Stay away from SecB lang muna. At last, Frabe the Asian Night. At last, LTG naman. We talked about LTG before. LTG was a buy during this time right here. And umaakit pa siya, let it pull back, and next bounce will be your entry point for LTG. Congratulations sa mga may LTG. Jacob07, pahabol po yung Zoom, Sir Lloyd. Thanks, ZM. Okay, I'm not really sure what happened during the gap down, but Zoom is respecting the support right here. This is looking well. This is 3 white shoulders pattern right here. If you want to trade this one, it would not be a bad idea. Divergence, sobrang dami na signals. Good find. I would trade this. Good find, pan. Galing. Jonathan, sinking GUI. Right. Sir Lloyd, good evening. Monde is too high for me. I cannot recommend Monde just right now. Right. So, I would say stay away from it. Anyways, let's go back to Facebook. Thank you so much sa mga nanonood sa atin sa YouTube. Patuloy pa naman ang programa. Tapos na tayo sa mga comments dyan. Janilo, good morning, sir. Done sharing po. Thank you so much for sharing. Marlo Rubio, thank you. You're welcome. Good evening, sir. Thoughts on APL? Narinig nyo na po, sir, ang NFT game na Crypto Bytes with TRX ang token niya. If yes, any insights po about it? Crypto Bytes, ito ba yung browser-based na game? Crypto Blades pala yun. Ang Crypto Bytes, hindi ko pa nababasa, man. Play, invest, trade, earn crypto daily. Yes, that's the purpose of NFT. But what is the game about? Coinbase, blah, blah, blah. Ano yung game niya, tol? Alright, Crypto Bytes. What's the game? Farmville style? Okay. Crypto World. Okay. Okay, farm siya. May gumawa na ng parang ganito eh. Ito nga NFT makers kung ano nila na iniisip. Sana naman, kung gusto niyo maging successful ang NFTs ninyo, back it up with an AAA game naman sana. Right? People do not hesitate to spend in a game if the game is good. Right? Trust me on that. I've been a gamer for quite a while already. Ever since I was 10 years old, 11-year-old. Ako mismo gumagastos para sa internet cafe para makapaglaro lang. As long as the game is entertaining, it should run properly. I am not a fan of farming games, Farmville, etc. But that's the point right here, I think. Kung pwede kang kumuha ng cow and then pwede mo ibenta. It's already NFT, pwede mo ibenta. Not a fan of it, to be honest. Sorry, Janilo. Good evening, Alan Washalan. Alvin Castillo, gusto ko lang mag-thank you. Dami ko natutunan using support. Nabasa natin. Thank you. You're happy to help, Alvin. LTG Puser, we're done with LTG, done with JFC. PHA from Diane. Nakuesta, let's check out the request of Diane, which is PHA. Kumustahin natin yung PHA. Downtrend pa si PHA, but support, starting to reach support levels for PHA right here. Yeah, trade this one out. Net foreign buying pa naman siya, 2.5 million even today. So, I would say yes. Right? Divergence is there. This support is looking good. Good find. Galing. I love this from Diane. Right? Napaka-low risk kasi ng trade na to. Right? If this is already confirmation of the support, I would buy this one for PHA. Art Sanoria, good evening, sir. How about Mega World is hitting by levels already. Kumustahin natin si Mega World? Yan, nag-green na. There was a line here yesterday because I told you buy it here. And then, if ever bumaba man, then just buy some more. Nag-green si Meg ngayon. So yeah, buy it here, man. That's for Mega World. Loner FOMO. Thank you, sir. Halt pa si APL, sir. Nag-halt pala si APL. Nancy Catilo, sir. Meg and MBT. Tapos natin kay Meg. Let's check out Metro Bank. Metro Bank has good support right here, right? Hopefully, it will meet us at the support, but there's a support already forming here for Metro Bank. That could be something, right? After hitting the resistance and downtrend. Short term, trade dito, and then major support right here. Just buy it now and then buy some more sa major support. Yeah, cut loss below major support. MP2, the best, less stress. Though 5 years to wait. How's the mangisda.org? Mangisda.org has been doing well. It's been running for 2 years already. And 12% ang nabigay natin sa last na harvest, which was last August. Right? Nag-harvest na August ng 4 na cage, di ba? So that was around 12% for 1 year. Kaso nga lang, limited yung stats sa mangisda.org. If you haven't checked out mangingisda.org yet, this is a passion project of mine na ako yung parang nag-handle ng finance end, right? Technically, we're helping fishermen of Mindanao, right? The mangingisda.org. Go to mangingisda.org na website and then click the full video for our costs right here para malaman nyo po ano si mangingisda.org. These are fish cages. Nakita nyo gaano kalinaw ang dagat dyan. Fish cage farming is very feasible in this area. Yun nga lang, ang mga mangingisda walang pera. So, we created an organization. Kami po ang nag-manage ng mga mangingisda. My dad is head right there ng organization. So, he makes sure na yung pera hindi winawaldas ng mga mangingisda. Right? So, check out mangingisda.org. It's running for 2 years already. Going 3 years na, di ba? Tagal na ng mangingisda.org. It's been doing well. Wala pa lang akong video update for mangingisda.org just yet because of the pandemic. Hindi ako makapunta ng Mindanao. So, I can't really create the video. Pero, sobrang ganda. Sobrang ganda ng mga nangyayari sa mangingisda.org. Ang ganda na ng lugar doon ngayon. Go to the Facebook page na mangingisda.org. Also, meron tayong mga updates doon for mangingisda.org. Check it out. Alright, so ito yung mangingisda.org. Nagkaroon tayo ng mga seminars sa mga mangingisda doon. Yung seminar na last was for the wives of the fishermen there na tinuruan paano mag-debone ng isda. So last update natin happened right ito, August 9, right? Cage 3 and 4 ready for harvest. 12%. So follow this page kung naghahanap rin kayo. This is an investment avenue na okay naman yung returns and at the same time nakakatulong tayo sa mga kapatid natin mga isda sa Mindanao. Right? Check it out also. Anyways, moving forward, let's go to charting. Time check, it's 8:47. Bilis ng oras Dave Viola, ano po comment nyo sa renewable energy, sir? Renewable energy is good. Okay naman yung technology ng renewable energy It's just that it's still not that cheap kumpara sa old ways of gathering energy or getting energy, electricity. Still not that efficient kaya sobrang konti pa rin ng percentage, but it is the future, right? Renewable energy is the future of energy consumption natin of the energy industry. So I'm positive with it, right? I'm positive with it. Any other best Filipino itoro other than you to copy trade po? Junior Aquino, wala pa Si Janilo, tignan ninyo. Janilo, man, Janilo. Post in the comments yung, ano mo man, yung profile mo, man. Alright, so we're able to read all the comments here sa Facebook. Let me go back to YouTube, baka may humabol. Right? Jonathan, Sir Lord, good evening, Monday. Tapos na tayo dyan. Crypto future. Legit ba ang crypto future? Is it a brokerage? I cannot really give my 2 cents about it because crypto futures. Is it a company or is it the futures feature of crypto? Legit naman yung meron naman talagang crypto future. Crypto future. So most probably this is a company. I haven't checked them out. Just so to be fair with them, hindi muna ako magko-comment. Hello, good PM Sir Lloyd. This is from Helen Grace. Kamusta Helen Grace? Good evening. Anyways, yan, nabasa na natin lahat. Okay, thanks man. Yung comment kanina about anong ang plano ko for the crisis. The plan really was to always look for opportunities even before the crisis happened. During the crisis, when the crisis happened, the good thing is that medyo masinop tayo sa pera, so nakapag-ipon tayo na maayos. So when the crisis happened, hindi tayo gaano apektado. Sad to say, it's not the same case for majority of the Filipinos. Marami pa ring Pilipino ang natamaan noon, right? So it is hard still, even right now. Pero I can't really speak for the less fortunate ones. I can always say lang na there's always opportunity and there's always a way to start investing, right? Ganun lang talaga. Look for opportunities. Opportunity ngayon, si XM has this 1 times 100. I mean, double your investment. That is an opportunity to double your investment opportunity kay Izanagi. Speaking of Izanagi, hindi pa pala tayo nakapag-update. Izanagi is already up 174% on my account right here. This is just for this has been running for 9 months lang and we're already up 174.47%. I don't want to hype you with this one. You have to understand that behind this gain is this drawdown, 42%. If naglagay ka ng 100,000, nawalan kayo ng 42,000 pesos at a certain point. So high risk, but the reward is good. This is a 1:4 risk to reward ratio, and if you can afford this kind of risk to reward ratio and risk drawdown level, and this should be good for you guys. So opportunity, XM has double your investment. So if ever konti lang ang ipon nyo talaga, meron kayong extra dyan na kahit 12,500 pesos lang, you can already start with XM. That's around $250. And with the promo of XM is going to be doubling it. So it will put your buying power up to $500. That's an opportunity. Take advantage of it. So daming opportunities, and Izanagi is an opportunity. This bot is for free. This is verified track records from MyFX book right here. This is a verified website totoong account po yan, tumatakbo na yan, and those are real results for you guys. Makikita nyo naman na pumupula din siya. So, take advantage of it. Yung long positions won natin 67%, 66% on the shorts. So, profitability natin is 67% on all the trades. But look at that, 174% already. Kamusta ang Izanagi ninyo at Valkyrie ninyo? Si Valkyrie, pulahan today. I think I lost a lot of my investments sa Valkyrie, but that's a risk I am willing to take. From 10% yung account ko, naging 4% na lang. So, lost around 6% today. So, malaki ang loss ni Valkyrie. But that's okay. Meron kasing ganun na days sa trading talaga. There are bad days. But overall, I'm still gaining sa trade. I mean, sa Valkyrie na trading. This is bot trading, mind you, right? It is in Forex, but this is bot trading. Meaning, may program po na andun na yung technical analysis, yung mga parameters to buy and sell, cut loss, etc. Technically for a trade, it is the program that's trading for me. So right now, everything is passive income na lang. Yung 179% kanina, 174 ba yun? That was passive income. Si bot nagtitrade na for me for a year already. That's an opportunity if you want to take advantage of it. Andyan sa video description, meron po dyan na link about videos muna. Unahin niyo po yung videos about Valkyrie and Izanagi. Understand it first before you want to register. Andyan rin po yung registration link. Junior Aquino, on XM, tama ba understanding ko? Double your money and max will be $500. Yes, up to $500 po ang i-double na XM. So if you put in $100, dadagdagan niya ng $100. If you put in $250, dadagdagan ng $250, up to $500. So if you put in $1,000, $500 lang idadagdag ni XM. But that's still 25,000 pesos of buying power. Sino magbibigay sa inyo niyan? This is one of the best. We always ask for this kay XM. This is the most sought after na promotion kay XM. Minsan lang nila binibigay ito. Ngayon lumabas for this month. Hopefully you take advantage of it. Hanggang September 30 lang ito. Right? So, Janilo, you can check Future 101 po. Or ito yung profile ni Janilo for his profile sa eToro to copy trade. Future 101 po, or you can check po sa copy people and filter mo country Philippines po. Alright. Anyways, yes, that's it for me this evening. Again, ilang araw na lang natitira sa promo for XM's Double Your Investment. Hopefully you take advantage of it. Tomorrow, I'll see you again at the same time. Alright, let's talk about making money again bukas. And update tayo sa markets and the trades. That's it for me this evening. I'll see you tomorrow. And as always, this is Lloyd Bazaar saying, let's get rich together. Bye, everyone. Wow, legs. Kita yung legs.